This is a comprehensive video available on YouTube for beginners. This video is designed to give you all the information you need to start making money online. This is a detailed step-by-step process to get you started in less than 30 minutes. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a print technology business in which products are not printed until the company receives an order to print single or more products. It saves you money and time, allows you to concentrate on marketing and promoting what you've already produced with only a few clicks. You can print anything on demand, including t-shirts, bags, mugs, etc. It is an easy process where you work with a supplier of white label products to customize items for your brand without any additional cost. However, the process is digitalized and a few clicks are needed before it will be ready to meet up with others. Fulfilling printing orders comes directly from customers who orders them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so we can help you make money online regularly. Step-by-step method of starting your print on demand business. Number 1, go to print on demand company websites of your choice and create an email account. Create an email where you will receive all information relating to your print on demand business. The email will help you track orders and information relating to your business. The email will serve you and the website you signed up for in various ways. Head on to this platform and create a free account with each of them. It is important to note that none of these platforms are exclusive. You can upload the same design onto all these websites. Their marketing strategies and demographics are different, meaning that you can reach a diverse range of audience. Number 2, find your niche. Finding a niche, especially when starting in print on demand, is crucial. A niche is a specific target market. For example, if you want to target soccer fans, your niche will be kids soccer and club academy. It is important to find a niche that doesn't have a lot of competitions. Several tools will help you find the right keyword for your niche. Example, Google Keyword Search and kwfinder.com. The keyword search tool will help you identify keywords and phrases that will have a high search volume with low competitions for your niche. This includes Google Keyword Planner and Keyword Everywhere. These are both free tools that will help you with your search. Whether you are finding a niche that you are passionate about or one that you've done and substantial research on, be sure to be specific. For you to succeed with print on demand, you need to choose a good niche, and it is one of the most relevant strategies. Finding a niche that you are passionate about will be more fulfilling and easier since you already have basic knowledge about the niche. Number 3, choose your design. Once you've found your niche, you need design inspiration that resonates with your target audience. Look at what people are currently buying. You can do this by looking through social media and e-commerce websites such as East, Amazon, and Pinterest. These sites will give you an insight into what is popular and trending. All you need is to be creative with your design. This website serves as an inspiration and will help you with your creativity as you make your design. Number 4, Create your design. Part of our print-on-demand tutorial is creating your design. Once you know what design appeal to your customer, create them, and remember that your design will go on several items, from t-shirt to mug, scarves, and even notebook. Many first-timers to print on demand do not have the necessary design skills. If you're one of them, you might have to outsource and hire a freelancer to create your design for you. If you still want to do it on your own, there are some tools that will help you with the process, especially as a beginner. Presseit.net makes it easy to help you create design without any graphic design experience. Other sites such as Canva will also make your design process easier. It is advised that you have at least 10 designs on all these platforms at the beginning. Number 5. Format your design for the print on demand. It is important to reiterate the value of formatting designs. That when uploading design to Merch by Amazon, be sure to stick to their design format, which is 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels for most designs on products. This means that you have to resize your design before uploading them on the website. Redbubble and Spreadshirt do not have any specific measurements that you need to stick to. You can use the resized design on all your platforms to save you time and energy. Number 6. Upload your design. Once you are done with your design, upload it to the store. You need to find a title and description that have your intended keyword to make sure your page rank higher in the search, meaning that more potential clients will visit your page. You can copy and paste the title, tag, and descriptions from one site to another. Do not spam keyword in your descriptions. Make it nice and simple. After uploading your design to Spreadshirt, Redbubble, and TechSpring, they are on their website forever. They print any order you have every few days. But whether you make a sales or not, they are there for life. On the other hand, Merch by Amazon keep your designs for 180 days. If you do not make any sales within these 180 days, they will remove your design. However, if you make a sales within 180 days, your designs remain on their platform forever. Furthermore, let me also explain the tier system of Merch by Amazon. In the beginning, you can only upload 10 designs and only upload 1 design per day. After making 10 sales, you'll be allowed up to 25 designs, and you can make 2 uploads per day. Using these techniques, you can keep growing as long as you keep making the required number of sales. The platform is stricter than Spreadshirt and TechSpring because they handle most of their marketing. There is a need to focus on the design process. TechSpring is pressure-free. They allow you to sell many designs and remains on the platform. It allows you to sell at your own pace and focus on other elements of your print-on-demand business. When choosing the color of your t-shirt, if you're selling t-shirts, you need to find color that appeals to the market you are targeting. If your target market is men, then you should choose color that appeal to them, and the same goes for the niche that their target market is women. If your niche is general, then you can play around with color. Be sure to have common colors available for your customers. When setting your price, Remember that most print-on-demand websites take a percentage of the profit from your sales, so always factor this in your pricing. Spreadsheet gives you free rein on price to set for your merch. This means that you have control over your profit margins and you can always adjust depending on the need of your customers and how your business is performing. Do not sell your share too low to undercut your competitors. In the long run, you will not make any profit. On the other hand, set your price a bit lower than the majority to appeal a lot more customers. Add your payout method to your store. That could be PayPal or any other payment platform depending on your location and method you prefer. Number 7, create a niche specific storefront. Having a niche specific storefront is one of the core concepts in the print-on-demand tutorial. When creating your store, use a name that represents what you are selling. Adding information about the niche and the target market you are selling under will be advantageous in search engine. T-shirts are popular products for men and print-on-demand clients. Adding the word T to your storefront name will give it more visibility. Add a creative banner to your storefront to make it more appealing. Number 8, create traffic through social media. Spreadsheet, TechSpring, and other print-on-demand websites allows you to link your storefront to your social media account. The best social media platform for promoting your design is Instagram. Instagram is one of the leading social media for driving traffic. Create a free business page for your store on Instagram. A business page that is different from your main account. Give your business page a similar name to your storefront. This will give your business a similar name. A business page will allow you to add your website to your bio. This will make it easier for your followers to find you on your store. Explain what you are offering in your bio and make it as descriptive as possible. When adding images to your Instagram page, use mock-up that are related to your niche and add your design to these images. Tools such as Place.net are a great way to create this mock-up and images to your page. In your captions, avoid showing off as a salesperson and make sure to add hashtags to your post. To find appropriate hashtags, search the tags on Instagram for tags that are relevant to your niche and to your Instagram page. Instagram allows you to add up to 30 hashtags. You can add this to your post by adding them as a comment to make it more appealing to more people who visit your page. Hashtags are great for target markets and niche markets, especially for people who are interested in what you're offering. This will gain organic traffic to your store. It is advised that you use the 80/20 rules when posting on your social media page. 8% of your content should be entertaining and informative, and 2% of your content should be geared to sell. You can also create paid adverts to increase traffic to your social media page and ultimately to your store. Make sure these ads are interesting to capture the attention of your target market. Some people use influencers marketing to boost sales. Find an influencer within your target niche and have them wear one of your design or even promote it on their social media pages. They will act as an authority to create curiosity and increase your products. Print-on-demand websites offer resources to clients who sell in their shops and their stores, marketing tips and tricks to help them succeed. Take advantage of these valuable resources. Number 9. Monitor the performance of your store. One of the important aspects of this print-on-demand is the analysis of your metrics. Once you have your store running, it is important to take note of the designs that are selling well and the designs that are not. You might have to redesign, change your pricing, and replace old design with new design to revamp your sales. You can also test out new designs to see if they are popular and duplicate these onto other websites. Find out what works for your brand and what is unique to your store to make you stand out from the crowd. Number 10. Leverage customer reviews and testimonies. Another print-on-demand tutorial basic that you can't forget is the correction of reviews. Once you have made a few sales, it is important to review feedback from your customer and share positive reviews within your store. Independent customers are reliable and will back up your marketing efforts. They will help your market and ultimately increase your sales. Make sure that your reviews come from real customers, and be mindful that negative reviews from your customers can also help you improve your design. Print-on-demand is a great way to make additional income. With its low startup costs, easy of setting up, and little to no inventory, anyone can get started. It is necessary to have the basic knowledge before starting a print-on-demand business. With this video on print-on-demand, I hope you are ready to start selling in your store right away. Subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss more videos on helping you on print-on-demand and many other tutorials for beginners and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of making money online, and I will see you in the next. Take care.